And what's up, Ocean Hills? We got Team Ocean Hills here, at least part of us, right? Part of the team. We are here to give you a great announcement, man. We're making a huge shift in the month of January 2020. The Marjorie Luke Theatre, where we typically meet, is going to be shut down for renovations for the whole month of January. So we're giving you the heads up that we're moving up to Montecito Covenant Church, 671 Cold Springs Road up in Montecito for the whole month of January. We will not be meeting on Sunday mornings at 10 a.m. No, you get to sleep in. Go for a walk on the beach, but then 4 p.m. for those 4 weeks, we'll be meeting at Montecito Covenant Church. We'll be gathering for worship. It's going to be exciting. Let me have Casey tell you more.
We were just up there the other day, and it's just going to be great to be in that space. It's super intimate. I know the Holy Spirit's going to meet us there. I personally love worship nights, and I feel like that's what it's going to feel like in January altogether.
Yeah. And we got to be reminded that the church is not about a building. It's not where we meet. It's who we are together. And so we're expecting God's going to show up the first month of 2020. He's got great plans for what's ahead. And we have amazing things planned for kids and youth and some community building. And it's going to be fun to be together in the afternoons.
So don't miss out this January 2020 up at Montecito Covenant Church, 4 p.m. And let's all be praying that God meets us in a new space and gives us a new perspective on how He wants to grow us, stretch us, and move in our lives in 2020. We're thrilled to get to be on this adventure with you. We're in it together.